Example 11. Draw the projections of a cone of base diameter 30 mm and axis height 65 mm long when its axis is parallel to both the planes and 30 mm away from them. So here we are having a cone again of 30 mm base and 65 mm axis height. Here the axis is parallel to both the planes and it is 30 mm away from both HP and VP. So it is both parallel and some distance away. Actually, we will assume some distance every time, but here the actual distance is given. So you need to make sure that you will measure 30 mm distance from the reference plane. So we will first see how to imagine this cone. So here we need to place the cone in the first quadrant in such a way that it should be parallel to vertical as well as horizontal plane. So first I will rotate it to make it horizontal or parallel with respect to the horizontal plane, as you can see now here. Now I have made this cone parallel to HP, but it is still perpendicular to VP. So I will make it parallel to VP also. Observe it carefully here. Now you see that I am rotating with respect to VP. Now in this position it is parallel to VP also. Now I will place this inside the first quadrant so that it will be easy for you to visualize this. Now I have placed this cone in the first quadrant and it is parallel to both the planes. So in the front view there will be a triangle, and in the top view also there will be a triangle, and here the axis is parallel to both the planes. But here important thing to note that for drawing this front view and top view, we need to first draw the side view of this figure, which will be circular. Now you will see that this is the side view which is circular. We will draw this first and then we will complete the front view and top view. Now we will see how to draw this.
As I have mentioned, we have to start with the side view first of 15 mm radius, that is our 30 mm diameter. I have marked axis line here already. Now to get the front view, I will just project this line to get the front view. And now I can easily complete this front view. This is base, and as you know the axis height is 65. This completes our front view. As it is mentioned that the axis is 30 mm away from both the axes, I am just taking 30 mm distance from the axis and the XY line, which is this. This is your XY line. What I mean is this distance. This distance is 30 mm. From the axis of this side view or the front view to the XY plane, this is 30 mm distance because it is 30 mm away from the horizontal plane. And now coming to the top view, which will also be similar to the front view. And this is also 30 mm away from it. That means on the reference line I have to take mark the point, and from here this is 30. This is quite easy. We did not take anything else. We are just completing our top view. See that this axis and xy plane is 30 mm distance. And this axis is also 30 mm away from it. And now for the dimensioning part. Dia 30 and the axis height is 65 mm. And hence this completes our cone, which is parallel to both the planes.
So this is the final answer for your question number 11. The axis, now you can see it is parallel to both the planes. See, this is the xy line and the axis is parallel. This means it is parallel to horizontal plane. And this is the xy line, and again the axis is parallel. This means the axis is parallel to vertical plane also.